Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Just a quick unboxing of a new Citizen watch that I've got hold of. Still sealed, not even opened it yet. It is the Citizen BM7430 and this is the 89E. See? Yep, which is the black version of this watch. Let me just pop this. Ow, stab myself in the hand. Take all this off. Standard box for Citizen. Get that out of the way. Slide that out. Now this is another Eco Drive. If you follow the channel, you know I do like a Citizen Eco Drive. They're one of my favourite watches. I think they're great value for money. This was under the channel limit of £200, and it is a full titanium Eco Drive from Citizen. Right, let's slide all this out. Pop that to one side for a second. Usual sort of pamphlets. And here we go. So it's kind of a sports watch as such. Oh man, the dial's really nice on that. Right, let's just double check what's the right one. Yep. So the BM7430 89E, and the caliber is the E111, which is in a lot of Citizen Eco Drive watches. Let's just zoom in a little bit. There we go. And I wanted a sort of a Garda watch, goes anywhere, does anything, and I think this might be the one. Yeah, it's really nice indeed. Let me just peel that sticker off. It's really much more of a dark grey than a full black in real life on the dial. That nice sloped chapter ring is really nice. Frame date window as well, which is really nice. Yeah, really nice. So light the watch is. Tell it's titanium. Now I'm going to get this off. Let's pop that off there. Oh man, that doesn't want to come out of there, does it? There we go. Yeah, the watch is really light. I'll wait for the full review. That one pull through there. Oh, God, everything's so static. Oh, I've got my pair of scissors. Let me just cut this. Break this. Right, there we go. Really nice. Very light. I like the bracelet with the matte and the polished sort of edges on the center link there. Are they on the center link? Oh no, they're on the two outer links, aren't they? Let's see. Brilliant. I really like the look of that. So light. I'm actually wearing this particular Citizen Eco Drive. I'm just doing the review for that. That was one I purchased a little while ago. I have put it onto a NATO now, so let me put this on my wrist and we'll have a look. Now I've got an 8-inch wrist and that is quite loose. I have only got one micro adjust as well, which is a bit of a shame. I really don't want to take a link out of this one. That's what we look like. It's really nice. BGW9 loom as well, which I always find tends to be better than the other loom that Citizen use. So I'm looking forward to seeing that with its loom fully lit up later on. Yeah, just a quick unboxing. I'll do the full review on this. I really like that watch. Very smart. Really impressed with that. I'll put a link in the description as I normally do. And thanks to everybody who's liked and subscribed. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the review of this watch. If that isn't your style of watch, this might be. And I'll put a link to that into the corner just here. Thanks, and see you on the next one. Thanks.